Hey everyone, N9HEL here. This video is about installing Allstar Link on your Android phone and your iPhone. I've set up an Allstar node and it's also connected to YSF and DMR, but that's not necessarily important. Reason for this is to facilitate communications when we're testing VAR AC. A lot of people have only one antenna, one radio, and we can't use another radio channel and get everybody all together. Plus, the distances can be too great. Or we could use a repeater, but still, the fact that one radio, one antenna can be a problem. So, Allstar on the phone would be a nice thing to do. Consider it maybe something like Zoom. Audio Zoom. With Zoom, you could do that, but you have to do invites and scheduling and all sorts of other crap like that. And Allstar at this point would just be very easy to use, much more, I'll use the term organic. You turn it on, everybody turns it on, everybody's there. You can see their call signs listed on the radio and all that other stuff. So I put this together, and we will take a quick look at how to get this on your phones. First of all, we got to type in, open up a browser and type in allstarlink.org. Whoops, I made a mistake there. I'm doing a voiceover on this, so I'm having a little trouble with it. So I'm going to, so I retyped it, and we're bringing up the web page for allstarlink.org. If you look at login and sign up over here, we want to click on that. My login is in there, but we're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to sign up. And we're going to click down at the bottom of this page and sign up. That brings us to this page here where we're going to enter our call sign and our password, which is the thing you'll be using in your the iPhone app. The Android app doesn't really use that. There's a different way of getting in, but the iPhone uses your call sign and password. So fill in the rest of this stuff here, and then you're going to click off. You don't want anything from them, and then you're going to click at the bottom there and submit this. And what they're going to do is they're going to send you an email. You need to respond to that email, and then you will be ready, and we can proceed to install things on your phone. So get this page filled out and submit it, and wait for the email and respond back to it. Let's take a look at the iPhone first. The app we're going to be using for the iPhone, whoops, let me back up here. The app we're going to be using for the iPhone is Repeater Phone, available on the Apple App Store. I think it's $7. It's really a slick app. It does Echolink as well as Allstar, so you've got both things in one package, and it's very, very easy to use. So let's go into it here. Okay, and we want to go, let's show you the directory first. Here is the Allstar directory. It brings up every stinking Allstar node out there. And here's the Echolink directory. But we want to set this up so we can use it for Allstar. So we want to go into settings. And we'll see we have two different things here. Top one is for Echolink, and the bottom one is for Allstar. We want to go into the Allstar one. I'm already set up on here, but it's really fairly simple. You enter your call sign and your password, the password that you use to get into your allstarlink.org account, the one they said, hey, you're cool with. So this is what you want in here. So once you put that in there, you are, excuse me, essentially done. We can do this a couple of ways. They have a favorites list. You can bring nodes into the favorite list. Here are my two. This Allstar link that I put up also has Echolink. You can get into an Echolink, but I think the amount of people who can get in via Echolink are limited. So I would just prefer everyone uses Allstar. I've got AB4KK's Jacksonville node on here, but what I'm going to do is let's go into the directory. We're going to go search, and we're going to search on N9HEL, and there I am. So we're going to just tap on that, and it brings up this screen. Shows you my location, big deal. And the big button that says connect here. So we're going to connect to the node right now.
Node 65205.
Okay, and we are connected to the node. There are two other node numbers here. One of these is for YSF and one of these is for DMR for the link I have set up between Echolink and those two other digital modes. But as people join this, we're going to see their call signs listed down here on the screen. So we always know who we're talking to or who's involved in the group talk here. We want to talk? Hey, press to talk. Now we're hearing me come across my RF link to Allstar. So this is working just great. And if I look over at my hotspot, I am keying up DMR. And I don't look like I'm keying up YSF, but that's besides the point. Doesn't make a difference. So if I let go here, we're done talking. And it automatically IDs. Allstar is still a ham radio mode, so it must ID every 10 minutes. So in order to transmit, boom, we are transmitting, and let go, and we're not. If we're done with this, just hit hang up over here, and adios, it's done. It's really very simple. It's a very slick app, so I think you're lucky if you got an iPhone to use this. Okay, hey, thanks for watching this segment. And now we're going to look at the Allstar app for the Android phone. This is my cheap burner here that I use for testing and everything because I'm kind of an iPhone person, and I have this one around because it comes in handy for several things. What we're going to do is we're going to look at an app called DV Switch Mobile. DV Switch Mobile, I think I downloaded this one off the Google Store. This one's free, which is nice. Not the best app in the world, but hey, free is free is free. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into this. And actually what's normally going to come up is no, we're going to cancel it. What's normally going to come up is this screen here. This is the actual talk screen. And what you want to do is you want to go into accounts. And I already have an account set up here, okay. So what you're going to do is your screen's not going to have any accounts. You're going to check off an empty one, and you're going to edit it. So we're going to look at what I've got in here. So what we see in here is protocol is IAX2. That's a protocol that allows the phones to come in. Hostname is the IP address coming into my router here where the node exists. So it's 73.171.149.79. The port number is 4569. Port number is internal to the link. It's a data pipeline to other portions of the Allstar application. Username, I have actually an account set up on here. Username is guest, lowercase G-U-E-S-T. And password is also lowercase G-U-E-S-T. This just keeps the crazies out. I mean, no one's really going to find this, and it doesn't make much of a difference because I don't allow anybody to make any modifications, but it's just there because it's there. Caller ID. This is your call sign, not mine. Your call sign. The one you used on your registration for Allstar. So we enter that there. Caller number, optional. Important node, 65205. This is the Allstar node. This is how Allstar identifies things. So this node is 65205. We've got phone mode IAX2 connection, which is correct. And these are all unchecked. Transmit level. I've got these set to these things. It should be okay. I think they warn you if your transmit is a little and receive is a little funky, and the phone itself will tell you, I believe, that something is off. But these work well for this phone. So what we're going to go, let me get rid of that. What we're going to go and we're going to hit save. Oh, codec types, server selected. I select the codec that goes in there. What's a codec? It's the decoding of audio into digital. So that's the server's going to take care of that, and we're just going to hit save here. So now we've got this active thing here, and we're going to move back to the talk screen. And we're back on there. So if you notice, it puts the node number up here, 65205. The iPhone app is a little more descriptive. This app is not, but hey, it's functional and it's free. So what we were going to do is we're going to say connect.
Connected to node 65205.
Okay, and we are connected to the node. If we want to talk, we've got push to talk down here, and we'll listen for the feedback coming off RF. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, and you can hear me coming through that. And if we're done talking, we let it go. So it's pretty simple, similar to the other one. This one, the sound is not quite as good as the iPhone, but hey, it works just fine. When we're done doing this, we just press hang up here, and we're off. So very easy to use. Once you have it configured and set up, all you do is come to this screen here and do your thing. Okay, that's it for the Android phone. Any questions, please give me a yell, and good luck with it.